Howdy again, Hakasis, and a quick little project update for the Tesla Turbine Power Control Board. Today is a pretty quick one. All I really wanted to do is take the analog voltmeter and swap the faceplate so it actually reads in RPM. So anyway, it was pretty simple. Pop the original one out, drop it inside the scanner, tweak it a little bit in Paint.net, Photoshop, and print it back out. Now, I haven't really actually done this before, so just put the granny glasses on, the nice head mount telescoping, zoom in nice and close, and a nice sharp X-Acto knife to start cutting everything out. And it seemed to go pretty well. Didn't hit any big snags, or at least none that you can see pretty evidently on the final product. And there you go. Well, that came out pretty good. I got that mounted back in the faceplate, and there's another project done and ready to go. So, getting nice and close to the finish line here. I hope to have the boards out and actually shipped sometime this week. So, stay tuned.